Alrighty, so in the bedroom we got all of our cabinets done, all the hardware back on and the doors on. Christian just sanding down this floor a little bit because we're about to put in our floors. But we just gotta take that tape off there, but everything is done. Painting is done. Still gonna stain this wall. This one. Christian's gonna make a door for this, like a barn door, but that's not on a high priority list right now. Shower still looks the same. All in there. And once again, he's just gotta, oh no. Oops, stepped in something. We're gonna put the floor in today, and then he can put the vanity in. So we're gonna start off here on this slide. Just finished taking out all the nails or hammering ones down that I couldn't take out. Got all these. These turned out pretty good. Cabinets.
Unboxing.
Oh, of course. Got this Newport flooring because it's something that we looked up and found somebody put in their RV, and it's completely waterproof. It has like a cork backing, so it looks like it's like soft to walk on, and it looks nice. They're called luxury vinyl planks. Very luxurious.
Very luxurious.
And then into the kitchen, we have a little piece that Christian made because the old refrigerator was right here, so there was no cabinet like wall. Basically, I mean there was like a big wall, but I don't know. And so he made a little piece to put there. So we still need to get a water heater and a refrigerator, but we'll have to work on that. Christian took out the microwave too, so we'll probably end up getting a new one. The countertops, I got a lot of paint on, but we're planning on replacing them anyway. And then I was peeling off my tape, and I peeled off a piece of the paint, but I'm planning on putting backsplash here. And I was planning on doing like a border over the wallpaper. You can see like the line for it, but you really can't tell that much in the trailer, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna put that wallpaper on, because like over here in between the windows, that's where the border was. And if you look at it, you can see like a line there, but it's not noticeable to me anyway at all. So I don't know if I'm gonna put that up. We're gonna be putting like baseboards on too, and some trim, and probably put caulk all in here just to make it look nicer. Christian's just saying he thinks he's gonna build like a wooden countertop. I don't know. Be something cool, hopefully. And that's it for now. I'll take a video after we put our floors in.
So this is kind of where it got a little more exciting. It started to clean up a little bit. We started putting in our floors and trim. You know, all the messy paint was done. And
I think floor day was the best. It was the best day.
yeah, it was the most satisfying day.
Other than demo day, I guess.
Yeah, demo day was kind of fun.
Yeah.
But, you know, all the mess and the cleanup and the intricate things and the stuff that had to get built and ripped out and all the things to be figured out. It was
At this point, it's starting to feel livable. It's like, oh, yeah, I guess I could live in here.
Yeah, you're kind of crawling in there, laying down on the floor, kind of like, oh, man, this is nice.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure Christian found me sleeping one day on the floor. I was supposed to be doing something, and
should
you
have put that picture in there.
he walks over.
Maybe I'll include it at the end.
He walks over, and I'm like passed out on the floor.
Hard at work. Yeah, so you can see here it's, you know, really starting to look nice. You know, it's starting to feel much more comfortable. And
this floor we found, we had researched what other people put in their RVs. We got it from Floor and Decor. That's the only seller of it that we found at the time when we bought it.
Nucor.
And it's called Nucor flooring, and it's supposed to be waterproof.
And so far we've been using it for about 8 months now, and we've seen no signs of wear, no water intrusion. It's been great. Cleans up real nice. Looks just as good as it did when it was new. Maybe it looks a little shinier in these pictures, but you know.
We have 2 dogs.
We have 2 dogs. Yeah. The shower is kind of trimmed out. You can see all the trim work starting to get done here in the kitchen. You know, starting to feel real good, and you know the colors are looking great, and you know the trim really starting to make it look all finished off.
I got my stain on the walls, and
here's our bathroom kind of coming together. It's small, but it's really functional.
it's our spacious bedroom.
This is the wall and shower. There's a nice big shower. There's our closet area. There's the kitchen. Slide out's all trimmed out. We kind of went all day this day because you're getting close to the end, so we wanted to just keep going until we didn't stop till we dropped.
We were getting real close to our deadline too.
Yeah,
so we needed to be out.
Enjoy the rest of the video.
Alright, so we got a little trailer update. We got our floors all in. Everything's nice and painted. Christian put most of the trim in. We have a couple little places left to do, but everything is looking really good. We gotta do some caulking, and most of the projects are getting done. Kitchen, we have a backsplash we picked out. We're gonna go with this glass backsplash. I was thinking about doing sticky tiles, but this is only gonna be like $85 to do it this way. We already have mortar and grout, I think, so it's only gonna be like $85. Sticky tiles really aren't that cheap, I noticed. I did these drawers here. I lined them. This wallpaper I had got. It's a self-adhesive wallpaper. We still need to figure out what we're gonna do for the slide for a trim right here. But it's looking so much better. And then into our bathroom, we still have this very ugly door, but that's gonna be temporary until we find something else that we want. Here's our new vanity, big upgrade from our plastic sink. We took this cabinet from inside our house, and it's from IKEA. And then we put that in. We're gonna put a mirror right here above the vanity. Christian, there was cabinets here before, and Christian built these walls, and then I stained them, and they're darker than I wanted them to be, but Christian likes them. I used the Jacobine, and then I used a classic gray on top of it. So did that in here too, because he put both these walls up. And then this doesn't have a door yet. It had a sliding door before with the old walls, but Christian's gonna build like a barn door. I mean, it looks nice, the color, not really. It's just darker than I wanted it, but it's what Christian wanted, I guess, more, so. And then here's our new shower. A lot bigger than the shower that came with the RV. We ended up replacing it mainly because it had like patchwork on the bottom. It just didn't look too clean. It felt kind of like you'd fall right through it. So we put this new shower in. It's gonna be much nicer having this shower than that tiny little shower. And then in our bedroom, all the trim work's done. All the painting's done. The trim just makes it look a lot more finished. And we're putting a queen size bed in here because we completely took out the bed frame that was in here and, redid. This used to be a hole to the outside, and over here there's a hole to the outside where the propane and stuff were, so it looks a lot better. This door is just so ugly. But it'll get fixed. And so that's it for now.